Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the best LinkedIn outreach strategy for 2026. My name is Roman, I'm the co-founder of Gojiberry AI. We are a LinkedIn intent-based tool. And so to get the best LinkedIn outreach strategy, you need to have the right ICP. So when you build your list, you have to make sure you are targeting the right person. You have to build personalized messages based on, of course, your list, to make sure the message is really personalized and it doesn't feel like mass outreach. And then you need intent. So intent, buying intent, is something quite new in outreach, and this can help you get crazy results. So intent is buying signals, knowing who to target. So if you have these three things, you can get crazy results, and I'm going to show you right now. So I'm launching some campaigns, and so if I look at my results, I get 70% acceptance rate, 53% reply rate, which is absolutely crazy. And so how do I achieve this? Well, I have the right ICP with the right intent, and I write personalized messages. So this is the tool I use to send outreach messages. I use gojiberry.ai. You can use the link below to get 7 days for free. So every day Gojiberry is going to send me new leads with intent. For example, if I take Nick here, he just engaged with a competitor called RB2B. So I have the right leads with intent. And if I click on, let's say I click on Bob here. If I click on Bob, AI personalized LinkedIn message, then I have the personalized message here. So notice True Work is exploring how other teams are finding warm lead through intent signals, because he liked a competitor. He liked the post of a competitor that is doing this. Gojiberry helps e-commerce and B2B teams like yours automate outbound by spotting buyers showing interest. So here we have the three pillars. We have the right leads. Bob is an account manager, so he's my ICP. He has showed intent, so just engage with a competitor. If I click here, I have access to the post. So he liked this post, and if I go a bit below and I look here, he's probably out there in the comments. So I'll have to check, but he is definitely somewhere in there. And then I have the personalized message. And so Gojiberry can help you find these leads. Once you get the leads, you can go to campaigns. You can start a campaign. You can create a campaign with AI from a list. You select the list you want to target. So let's take that one. It's going to fetch the ideal customer profile from this list. Then if I click on next, it's going to look at my website. It's going to craft my value proposition, extract the pain point from my customers, and then I can decide if I want to start conversation with one prospect or book qualified calls. Then I click on next. I select the LinkedIn account from which I'm sending messages, and that's it. My outreach campaign is created. And I can aim for 70% acceptance rate, 50% reply rate. Campaign generated successfully. So here, as you can see, I have, so my list. I'm going to send one invitation. Then I'm going to send an AI personalized message to all these people to book more demos. If they don't answer, 2 days later, they get a new message. 3 days later, they get another one. And if I want to build my campaign from scratch, I can still go here to campaign. I'm going to delete that one. Start a campaign and create manually. And to make sure you have the right leads in contact, here, you have to create a signal agent. So signal agents are responsible for sending leads in contact. So to edit an AI agent, first you define your ICP. So which target, which people are you targeting? So here you can even generate that with AI. So that's the first filter. Second filter, you can select the signals you want to track. So here in engagement and interest, you can track all the people on LinkedIn liking, posting, or commenting about these keywords. So intent data. So these are my keywords based on my company, but of course you can adapt, it will adapt to yours. You can track people who interact with you and your company. So like your profile, comment on your profile, and so on. Follow your page. You can track people who interact with specific LinkedIn profile, people who change jobs, raise funds, are really active in your niche, and people who interact with your competitors. And so we have a double filtering. ICP, signals. So you only have in your contact list people who are your ICP who showed intent signals. And then you are going to send them a personalized message. If you do this, then you'll succeed. And in integration, you can even integrate with some cold mailing tools to get even more results with cold mailing, as Gojiberry is only sending messages on LinkedIn for now. That's it. That's how you can get the best LinkedIn outreach strategies for 2026. Hope you liked it. The link for Gojiberry is just below.